latte cookies. And if anyone knows me knows I love coffee, right?
Gingerbread latte cookies.
Yes. Now,
shut up.
Yes.
Wow.
Do you want me to stop talking?
No.
Yeah. So all we need is softened butter, and then 1 egg. This is really how simple it is, because mind you, I was not a baker, so all of this is learned. Watch me get this. This is why I'm usually supposed to wear an apron. And then you just mix it in. And it's that simple. Once it's mixed, you scoop it out, you put it in the oven for 11 to 13 minutes. And that's it, and it's that simple. And then if it gets stuck, obviously,
But what a
use your finger.
delicious, I mean, mashup. What a great idea.
Well, to have the butterscotch taste in there's a little bit of the natural coffee, and it tastes really good with a cup of coffee. And something different.
Did you bring in a little something for the whole class?
I might have bought something for the whole class. I might have brought our Foodstirs Minute mug cakes. So for when you just need, they are available nationwide, Kroger, Whole Foods, anywhere you buy good, yummy stuff, you can find the Foodstirs
And you
Minute
can
mug
make
cakes.
your own little mug cake.
In 60 seconds with 2 tablespoons of water.
Awesome.